It's Sunday today. A slow morning. A calm mind. Let me ask you something honest. Do you waste your Sundays, or do you use them to reset your life? Stay with us, because today, Sunday will help you improve your English and yourself.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. If you want easy English conversation, daily life spoken English, confidence without fear, then this podcast is for you. Today's topic is simple and powerful. A Sunday.
Part 1. What is Sunday?
Sunday is the last day of the week. For many people, Sunday is a holiday, a rest day, a family day.
Sunday is also a reset day, a day to think, a day to plan, a day to improve quietly.
Repeat after me. Today is Sunday. I feel relaxed today. Sunday mornings are peaceful.
Part 2. Sunday morning English.
Let's talk about Sunday morning. On Sunday, people usually wake up late.
Say these sentences slowly. I woke up late today. It is a calm Sunday morning. I don't feel any pressure today.
Now say these positive lines. I enjoy slow Sundays. I start my Sunday with positivity.
Part 3. Home conversation. Sunday. Good morning. It's Sunday today.
Yes, finally a relaxed day. Do you have any plans?
I want to rest and practice some English.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday.
This is real English, simple and useful. Part 4. Sunday and mindset.
Many people think Sunday is only for sleeping, but Sunday is more than that.
Sunday is the best day to prepare for the week. Even 15 minutes of English on Sunday can change your whole week.
Repeat this line loudly. I use my Sunday to improve myself.
Part 5. Afternoon English on Sunday.
In the afternoon, you can say, I'm relaxing at home. I am watching something interesting. I'm spending time with my family.
Better sentences. I am enjoying my Sunday afternoon. I feel calm and happy. Part 6. Evening English. Sunday feel.
Sunday evenings feel different. Say these lines. It's Sunday evening. The weekend is ending. I'm getting ready for the new week.
Sunday evening is perfect for planning. Planning gives confidence. Part 7. Short Sunday story.
There was a man who wasted every Sunday. He slept, he scrolled, he did nothing.
One Sunday, he decided to change. He practiced English for 20 minutes.
That small habit made his weekdays better.
Lesson. Don't waste Sunday. Use it. Part 8. Daily practice sentences.
Repeat after me slowly. I practice English every Sunday. Sunday makes me stronger. I am improving step by step. I believe in myself.
Repeat these sentences every Sunday. Part 9. Best Sunday habits.
Good Sunday habits. Wake up calmly. Practice English for 10 to 15 minutes. Plan the coming week. Stay positive.
Strong weeks start with strong Sundays. Part 10. Emotional connection.
Sunday gives you time. Time to breathe. Time to think. Time to grow.
And English gives you confidence. You deserve both. Strong closing.
Don't wait for Monday to change. Change today. Change on Sunday.
This is Hashmi English Tutor, helping you speak English easily and confidently. Like this video, comment, how do you spend your Sunday? Subscribe for daily English learning. Keep learning, keep speaking. Happy Sunday.